Chilly winter days or evenings call for warm, comforting food. This is one of my favourite soups. It comes together in 30 minutes and you can just do it as you're standing there at the stove and the sink. And as always, the ingredients and the recipe can be found in the description box below. If you're new to the channel, hello and welcome. And if you're a regular viewer, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. And if you like the video, you know what to do. Give it a little like, because that lets YouTube know to share it out to other people like you and I who are gluten-free. Contrary to what people might believe, gluten-free is not all about the pastry and the bread. We do eat other stuff that is naturally gluten-free and good for us. If this sounds like you, you've come to the right place. So when your onions and celery have softened, you're going to add the rest of your vegetables. We're going to go in also with a litre of stock. I've used a powdered stock that I've diluted in water, but please feel free to use whatever you've got handy. Not only is this the easiest meal you can make, it is also very economical, especially in these trying times. You can actually feed 4 to 5 people with this. And if you're flying solo, you can actually use it as meal prep, freeze it up or refrigerate it and use it as you go along. Not only that, it's highly nutritious, and I didn't mention how delicious this really is. You'll be really surprised. The carnivores in my family really love this, and that's saying something. Now you can flavour this any way you like with your choice of spices or herbs. I've chosen paprika and turmeric. They are my favourite. They have an earthy feel to them, and I think they go really well with the potatoes and the carrots in this. But again, like I said, feel free to add whatever spices or herbs that you prefer in your cooking. Now you'll have noticed that we chop the potatoes rather largely in the beginning, and this is why, so that we can actually mash them in and create a natural thickener for our soup, so we don't have to add any corn flour. At this point, when your soup is nice and thick, you're going to throw in about 2 to 3 large handfuls of baby spinach. This will add a zing of colour. I mean, look at that. That looks absolutely gorgeous. It'll give subtle flavour and add more nutrients for a super healthy soup. I hope you've enjoyed the video as much as I've enjoyed bringing it to you. I'm Hilda, this is my gluten-free plate, and I hope to see you for the next one.